Hey everyone, this is John Rollins, here today to show you my 2007 Toyota Tundra SR5. This is desert sand mica in color. It's a double cab, short bed, four-wheel drive. It's got the 4.7 liter V8 I-Force engine, chrome front and rear bumpers. You've got a factory tow package. You've got the easy open tailgate, Bedliner, sliding rear window, factory running boards, factory alloy wheels, a nice, clean, good-looking truck. It's a little rainy and overcast today, so hard to get a good video, but you get the idea. You've got factory fog lights, factory tow hooks. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. This truck is equipped with the tan interior. You've got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, power seat with lumbar support. Driver's seat's in beautiful shape. Actually, the interior of this truck is super clean. You do have the center console there, so you got bucket seats in the front. Your window controls, dome light controls. That's your rear cargo light, traction control. You've got a tilt wheel, cruise control. This truck has 156,769 miles. CD player, all your climate controls. Your four-wheel drive shifter is right here. You've got an auxiliary input there for the radio. Two 12-volt outlets down at the bottom. There's your cup holders. The nice thing, you get three right in the front. You got a nice little storage area here if you need to put any paperwork. Huge console, lots of room in here. That middle divider does come out. You also have a nice big overhead console here. Plenty of storage in there for anything you can think of. The rear seats are in beautiful shape too. You've got one little burn mark, looks like right there in the center, but the rest of the seats look great. It's a 60/40 rear seat, so they do lift up. You've got almost a completely flat floor in the rear, so if you need to put anything inside, you're covered. Here in the back of your center console, you've got a 12-volt outlet and cup holders for your rear passengers. There's another look at your dash. All your door panels are in good shape, which on your door panels, you actually have this little storage area. Kind of nice. Little extra storage that most places don't have. Your front passenger seat looks beautiful. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. Again, this truck is equipped with the 4.7 liter I-Force V8. The truck is all stock. Again, my name's John Rollins. Thank you for watching my video. If you're interested in this truck, feel free to contact me directly at 614-563-9999. I do take trades, I have financing available, and I have nationwide shipping. Give me a call. Thank you.